Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, Paul Richimano Official, where we deal with ICT and the computer science and the different skills. Today's lesson is about sorting and filter in Microsoft Excel. So now, why do we say sorting? So now, if we say sorting, we are saying to arrange numbers by using order, meaning from smallest to largest, or from largest to smallest, or the sorting also can be defined as the process of the sorting. This is the sorting here. The sorting can be also defined as the process of arranging names by using alphabetical order. So now the alphabetical orders. Number two, today we are going to say something about the filter. So now what does it mean, filter? The filter is used to display record which meet the criteria. So what are the criteria here? So now, for example, you see, so the filter, it is found from data tab here. When you open your Microsoft Excel, by default it comes like this. And then the filter is found here. It is found from data tab here. You see we have sorting. So the sorting is shown by these graphics here, you see. And then filter is shown by the following graphics. So suppose here we have different people from different countries. You see, they are numbered from 1 up to 11 with their corresponding names. Here we have countries, age, then you see, we have the countries as like this. The countries are different and they have different age. So now, what will happen? Suppose you have a document which contains many names and you want to arrange those names from you want to arrange these names by using alphabetical order. So now, for example, if you arrange by ascending order, if we say the sorting, you want to arrange these names by using ascending order. So now, if it is ascending order, we are starting from the smallest to largest, which is typed as A to Z. If it is descending, it is A to Z. We are starting from the largest to the smallest order. So now, suppose we want to arrange this data by using these names. For example, what we will do here, we will simply select the data here. We will select data which you want to sort, and then from data tab, you click this one, the sort here. Click this one, you will get this dialog box here. Here, you will be asked which column we will flow if you want to sort this one. We sort by names. For example, if we sort by names here, if it is order A to Z, it means from the smallest to largest. We click A to Z. If you click here, you get many order here. Z to A, like this, and then click OK. You see, someone with the A letter, with this A vowel, will become the first one with the corresponding entire row will come when it fulfills the condition here. So this is how you can sort. For example, also we can sort by age. We selected this one. Then sort by age. If you choose age here, it will change immediately. If you choose the age, because age are the numbers, you will be asked from smallest to largest or from smallest to largest. Suppose you are making a school report and you want to arrange this one by using their marks, by using their average. You want to arrange these names based by using descending order from the smallest one to the largest one. So guys, this is how you can easily sort. So now, what is filter? The filter is useful. This subroutine software, which is known as filter here, The filter is useful if you want to display some records which meet the criteria. For example here, you see, imagine if you have a document, if you have a workbook containing many students from different countries, and you want to display only those from Kenya or only those from Rwanda, or you want to display all students with the same age 21. So let me do this one. Okay, let me bring the previous page here. Well, around here. So now, before sort data, we have had this one. So now from here, we want to arrange, we want to display only student with age less than 45. That is the criteria. That is the condition here. So what to do? You simply select only column here, and then you choose a filter. If you click this filter, something which is formed like a filter, you see this symbol looks similar like this one. You see, I think you get it. You get it here. So now, if you want to sort by using age, you will do this. No, if you want to filter by using this one, you will do this one, and then here, let me explain this one. If it is selected all, we will display all the records with the following numbers. Suppose you want to display only student, you will deselect this one and then choose 21. What does it mean? Within a list I do have, I want only to display the student with age 21 years old. Then you click OK. Here you see only within the list we have only how many students? You have only 2, like this one. So then you will be given this one to show that this file here, these names were displayed by filter. This is the meaning of this one. So now from here, if you click here, if you click to the filter again, you will get the entire data you have. Then you can also filter by using name. Here you see, by using country. If you click this one, you choose filter here, and then click this one, and then instead of using countries, let us select only from Rwanda. Here, select all here, and then select those from Rwanda, and then click OK. You will have only 3 students. So guys, this is how you can easily use sorting and filter from the sorting and filter group here within Microsoft Excel. So if this video supports you, don't fail to give us subscribe, share, and comment. So thanks.